Good afternoon. Greeting from Rutong, Ambon, Maluku in Indonesia. Allow me to introduce myself, Reza Mas Paitala. I'm the king of Rutong in Ambon. It is a good opportunity for me to share with you the development or the sustainable development that we are doing at the moment in Rutong. And hopefully that through this sustainable development in Rutong can be an example how the great ideas, the great minds for the sustainability of the livelihood of the community can begin in Ambon, Maluku. It is an opportunity for me to share with you our plan and also what I have discussed with Eric and also with Gert Jan in regarding to our initiative here in Rutong Ambon. That will consist of several aspects. One aspect is in the development of our stadium, of a sports stadium that is also embedded with the Academy of Football or Soccer that is being mentioned known in the US. On this opportunity, the objective of building a stadium with a football academy is to become an entity where we can build the mental or the moral of the society through sport. Because as you know, sport is famous everywhere around the world, that it can bring people together, but it's also a tools in terms of how we can build the character, the mental of our young generation. So therefore, I'm very, very glad when Eric and Jan has the dream, but also have the intention of how to bring the best of the Netherlands in terms of the football sport to Maluku, Indonesia. Because through this amazing sport, not only that we can build the young generation or the talent of Maluku, Indonesia, but also at this opportunity that we can shape the future of our young generation through sport. And I know also through this fundraising that Eric and Jan has been doing in the Netherlands, we are so grateful and so thankful to the heart of each one of you that are contributing in different kind of value of euros so that Jan and Eric can achieve this target for the startup of this development of our sports stadium through your contribution. Second aspect of this area, where we call the Rutong Height, consists of how do we conserve our culture for the future. And therefore, we plan to build in the land of 5 hectares of land to a 10 hectares of land, the miniature of every culture or every community, what we call negeri, throughout the Maluku region. At the moment, we have about 545 different negeri or different communities throughout Maluku region. The idea is that this is going to become the miniature of Maluku. Probably in Netherlands you have the Madu Rodam, but this miniature of Maluku will not be as small as Madu Rodam, but it will be in a 5 hectare to 10 hectare of land where you can see the traditional houses, the traditional culture of art, of dances, of music, of